Do you know how to top up your oil? Why it's important? How to do it? What to look for? My name is Dejan and I have the answers. Insert the dipstick into the tube slowly and push it all the way down. Now withdraw it and look closely at the tip, which should have oil on it. If the oil level is between the two lines, your vehicle has enough oil. If it's at the low mark or below, it's time to add some oil. Brake cleaner is ideal for removing stains or grease. A slow, steady oil pour is recommended to avoid spills, and using a funnel is a good practice, especially when you're trying to pour a product that can be different from what you're used to. Once you've added the oil, wait several minutes for the oil to drain down into the sump, and then recheck it again to ensure that the level is at least between the high and low marks. The oil level does not have to be at the high mark for your engine to have enough protection to run safely.